হ্যালো বন্ধুরা, আজকে আমাদের স্কুলের অ্যানুয়াল স্পোর্টস ডে।
Let it go. Let's see. Okay, Excel Academy's annual sports 2025-26 is now up. Of KG1 to Class 2. After the display, the sporting events will begin. We will start with the events of junior section, meaning playgroup to KG2. Once their medal ceremony is done, junior section students will be able to lead section. We will begin the final events of senior 1 and 2. We hope we will now start the parade of Little Star.
ঘটনা হচ্ছে আমি একটা নিয়ে দৌড় দিব না, আমি আরো অনেকগুলো দিব। এটা হচ্ছে প্রশ্ন। ও যে খুঁজতেছে, আবার নিয়ে দেখি খুঁজে না একটা মিলে
Class 1 and KG2, dress as you like, participants. Teachers, please take the dress as you like participants to the changing room. The parents are looking for them. Class 1 and KG2, dress as you like participants. Teachers, you need to take them to the changing room. Requesting the
Yusha Farina Said, Suborna Tasnim, Alvina Binte Ashraf. Faraz Ayman Ahmed, Khondokar Safat Amin, Khaja Yasin Ali Haq, Muhammad Tahim Zaman, Mibsham Zaryab Sakin, Muhammad Tashfin Abdullah, Mushab Ahmed, Somriddho Ghosh, Now we are having the Shidratul Mahamud Ariba, Wazia Fairuz Mehul, Zainam Rahman Seher, Zaria Binte Bashir, Suwaiba Binte Mubashir, Wafia Anum Onkuni, and Amaira Korim. Good luck to all the participants.
ready.
We have the results for the Nursery Lady Bird 40 meters race boys. Coming up in third place, we have Musab Ahmed. In second place, we have Faraz Ayman Ahmed. And in first place, we have Abdullah Zawad. A huge round of applause for all the winners. Now we are having the 40 meters race for the boys of Nursery Caterpillar. Good luck to all the participants.
Judges, are we ready? Judges, are we ready? Video ready? Judges! No.
We have Anisa Nawar Mehrima, and in first place we have Ruzaina Tahrim Oania. A huge round of applause to all our winners.
এবার আগে দৌড় দিল সরিয়ে ফেলবো না রান সরে
আজকে এই পর্যন্তই, বাই বাই।